What's up YouTube, hope you are doing really fantastic. I am back with a new unboxing video. This time we have the DJI RS4 Combo. I am pretty excited about this new boy. I just sold my DJI RS2 Pro Combo and got the DJI RS4 Combo because the Pro model is for heavier cameras and bigger setups, which for a mirrorless camera I do not really need it. So I went for the normal model, the combo pack, which gives you the bag and some accessories which will truly fulfill my needs. Besides my DJI RS3 Mini, which I really use for my today's projects, but I decided to sell my DJI RS2 because it was going to get old. I went for the newer model. Now I have two of the newest gimbals of the DJI, which is the DJI RS4 Combo and the DJI RS3 Mini. So let's go for the unboxing and see what we get inside the box. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. As you see, I have set up my gimbal, I have activated with the DJI Ronin app, and I have balanced the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 16mm. It's a pretty light setup. It's just nothing for this gimbal. It's really powerful. And I tested it in the home, and guys, this is just so much fluid. And compared to my older gimbals, DJI RS2 Pro Combo and DJI RS3 Mini, I can say the controlling of this gimbal is just on another level. It feels really fantastic in the hands. You can control everything. I think I wouldn't miss any shot with this gimbal. It's just amazing, and the auto lock feature also works really great when you turn off the gimbal. It's just amazing. We didn't have this on the DJI RS2 Pro Combo. I really love it. And one thing which I really love about this gimbal is the switching between the vertical and horizontal. You can easily switch that with detaching this plate, and you just need to balance the tilt up axis, and you can do it in less than a minute, which is really amazing. I can say I'm pretty amazed with this gimbal. Maybe I'm going to use this more than my DJI RS3 Mini now, because the feeling I get from this gimbal is just amazing. I hope you liked this unboxing and first look video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment sections. And if you like to see more reviews of the DJI RS4 Combo, please let me know. I will do my best to review this gimbal and show you in real-time scenarios. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I will be seeing you in my future videos. Goodbye.